everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is What Did I Buy Wednesday. Guess you kind of sitting here wondering what this goofy looking smiley face here in front of me is. That is what I bought. I'll have to show you. I'll put a little picture up somewhere up in here. I'll put a picture up and put the phone down here, and I'll show you guys what I bought. Been wanting one for quite a while, and they went on sale about 2 weeks ago, and I just like, now's the time to buy it. So what I did is I bought me the Anycubic Photon Mono 4. It's a beginner. It's not like huge, but it works good. It's been working good. Let me move this out of your way. Some of the stuff that I've done already. Here is, this one is a big block 572 engine. I printed this out. This one come off of Colt 3D. There we go. Get you guys a little bit closer to it, a little bit better picture. And it turned out pretty good. Now, first couple of prints I did not do too well. So I've been trying to get better at it. It's like with any other toy, when you get a toy, you just kind of got to play with it. So I've been playing with this thing all weekend. I should have been building, but I wasn't. I've not been. And which, like I said, I probably shouldn't be. I did this set of tires here, tires and rims. They're old school, little flat drag slicks on them. They do have the cap with them. Little cap is inside the bag here. Kind of hard to pull it out of there. They do have the cap with it. Let me move this one back over here. Another one I did, I printed out a couple sets of wheels here. Probably should have had these out already before I went to show y'all. These are the Mopar Rally wheels. Get back over here. These things, they've turned out really, really nice. Got nice tread pattern on them. Let me get a little bit closer to this light here. Yeah. Really good pattern on them. Got really good detail in there. But I did those. Move them out of the way. I did nice little set of the Torque Thrust wheels. Did those. Nice pattern with these. These all come off of Colt 3D here. This one here is one I really like. There we go. It's a good looking wheel. Nice little tire pattern with that. It's a good looking wheel there. I got another set back there. There's printing right now. I think it's going to be pretty cool. This one here is from Scale Speed Garage. You can join and you can download some of his files. So this is one of the files there that I got. It's the 427 single overhead cam one he has. It's turned out really nice. A lot of nice parts in there, multiple different options in that, if you wanted to go that way. And then really too many pieces in this one here to take out. This was the very first print that I did. I didn't really understand a lot of it. But this is the Oldsmobile engine from Scale Speed Garage, or you can pick this one up probably from VCG Resins. He does a lot of his files there. They're very good files. They turned out very nice. But this is What Did You Get Wednesday from me. I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to try to see if I can't do this myself and try to save a little money, because these things get kind of expensive if you have to buy them and then ship them. And I got a great deal on the printer, and I already have 2 of the FDM printers, and they don't print this stuff very well, so I figured I would get this one. But that's what we got. I thank everybody for watching, all my subscribers out there for commenting, thumbs up, everything that you guys do for me. Thank you all very much. We'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.